If you're still editing every short manually, cutting clips by hand, or paying a premium for one slice of content, honestly, you're just burning time and money. Whether you're a creator, a brand owner, or an agency still relying on traditional human editors, you already know how messy the scaling process gets. Videos pile up, editors ghost you, revisions take forever, and by the time something's finally uploaded, the trend you're chasing is already dead. Meanwhile, smart creators are testing dozens of hooks a week and pulling in views while you're stuck waiting on the next round of notes. That's why I want to talk about Vizard, the specific tool that changed how we push content and redefined our entire production pipeline. Instead of waiting on edits, shipping footage, or babysitting timelines, Vizard lets you take any long video and automatically surface the good parts. You can turn webinars, podcasts, or live streams into platform-ready clips and schedule them out without ever leaving the dashboard. You get more output, faster variety, and most importantly, you get to run experiments at scale so you can actually learn what works. When you first log into Vizard and start a new project, the interface is incredibly refreshing and intentionally simple. You upload your source, a raw YouTube file, an MP4 from your phone, or a recorded Zoom, and Vizard immediately starts analyzing it for you. Up top, you'll get timeline-level controls where you can preview the original file, while down below, the auto-edit panel acts as the heartbeat of the platform. The main thing you'll use is the auto-edit viral clips feature, which does the heavy lifting by scanning the entire long-form video for you. It finds moments with high emotional peaks, laughs, topic changes, and strong sound bites, pulling them into short clips optimized for TikTok or Reels. The first time I ran a 2-hour podcast through it, Vizard returned 30 clip candidates in under 5 minutes. You can even control how aggressive the clip selection is by turning the length target to 10-20 seconds for bite-sized punchy hooks. The point is that instead of hunting through hours of footage and guessing where the moment is, Vizard gives you a bank of ready-to-edit candidates. Now, here's the part that makes this feel like a production assistant: the auto-captioning and aspect ratio presets. For each clip, it will automatically crop to the right frame for vertical or horizontal viewing and suggest a thumbnail frame. One of my favorite workflow hacks is the batch remix, where you can test 5 different intros or thumbnails from a single strong hook. That scale is impossible if you're editing manually, but with this, you can generate tens or hundreds of unique creatives to A/B test. Now, Vizard sits in the sweet spot of automatic clip discovery and the organizational features you actually need to run a serious publishing strategy. Speaking of publishing, the auto-schedule feature is a straight-up lifesaver for teams that need a steady, consistent cadence. The content calendar ties the whole thing together, giving you a visual grid of what's scheduled, what needs review, and which clips are performing best. I'm going to upload a long interview I did last week, and you'll see how Vizard scans and spits out a list of suggested clips immediately. 2 clicks and I can tighten the start of a clip, change the thumbnail, or generate a version that opens with the funniest line as a hook. You can also mix in B-roll or overlays like a brand clip or product shot to keep the brand consistent without doing the same edit a dozen times. Caption quality is another area where Vizard beats the pack, as it handles accents and overlapping voices better than most tools I've used. Now, let's be clear. It won't replace a full-blown studio-grade editor when you need advanced color grading or complex motion graphics. But for the 80% of content we publish daily, Vizard covers everything, and honestly, those are the clips that actually move the needle. If your current workflow is record, upload, wait for an editor, review, and revise, you're spending days on something that should take hours. Because you can create dozens of variants quickly. You can run real experiments to see which thumbnail gets the click and on which hook gets the watch through. A quick real-world example. We turned 1 hour of live stream content into 40 clips, and just 3 of those accounted for over 70% of our new subscribers. If we had been limited to 5 edited clips because of costs or time, we'd probably have missed those specific winners completely. Another thing I love is the multi-platform export presets that handle TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels with proper save zones automatically. If you're worried about sound design, Vizard has smart defaults and a library of royalty-free tracks you can apply across all your batches. For teams, the permissioning and collaboration features matter, allowing you to invite editors and leave time-stamped comments on specific clips. That transparency alone reduces the back and forth that kills momentum, and the pricing model is perfectly set up for creators who need scale. So what's the takeaway? If you're serious about building an audience, speed matters more than polish, and volume plus iteration is the name of the game. Vizard gives you that engine to auto-detect the moments that matter, helping you manage the rollout so you can focus on strategy instead of edits. If you want to try it, I dropped a link in the description so you can poke around the platform, upload a file, and watch it work. Even if you only use it to find 3 strong moments per video, that alone will change your posting rhythm forever. Alright? Save yourself the busy work and let Vizard handle the heavy lifting. You'll get more clips, faster, and finally have time for what really matters.